Hi everyone. All right, let's see. Snowfall. Let's talk about snowfall. The potential for snowfall. I know there's a lot of chatter about kind of a mean, nasty storm coming our way over the weekend. So let's take a look, shall we? Let's see. Here we go with the first one. Now we're going to look at the European model first because I think that one's been a little more on the high end for snowfall potential. Let's take a look. Now this is going to be like storm by storm. So it shows the first storm and then it takes it away and then it shows the second storm. So this is Wednesday night. Wednesday night into early Thursday morning. Could see a little bit of snowfall there. Then here comes another swath. Now here's where we start to see Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon into the evening hours. Now what I'm seeing lately is most of the heavier snow. This is probably overdone a little bit because I mean a foot of snow, foot and a half of snow. I mean it can happen, but it's rare. This makes more sense, 1 inch to 2 or 3 inches. But big swath of heavier snow here. Wouldn't surprise me, like 6 to 7, maybe 8 inches. But then that one kind of fades away. And then another one kind of comes out of the Rocky Mountains here headed towards Kansas. But that's for Tuesday. So a long ways away. So that's like a week away for that one. So total, how much snow is the European model saying? Well, when it's all said and done, anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of snow for Nebraska, maybe more up towards South Dakota. That big swath of snow right here from Dodge City to Salina, Kansas to Kansas City to St. Louis. Now, is that going to happen? I don't know. Probably not. But will it snow? That's more likely. But these heavier snows, well, let's take a look at the other models, see what they say. This is your GFS, Global 25 kilometer model. Still has that one swath of snow right there as we head through Wednesday night into Thursday morning. So that holds true. Then here comes that other swath. Let's see if that has that big area of heavy snow from Dodge City to Salina, Kansas City, and St. Louis, shall we? I mean, yeah, kinda. Not as much. I mean, you're going from 3 to 12 inches, so not quite as much, but it does have a healthy line of snow here from St. Louis, Springfield, Kansas City to Salina, and then even up in Nebraska somewhat. So it's a little more spread out, a little more not as high a totals, but still high totals. Interesting. So then that one kind of fades away, and then the next one right there coming out of the Rockies by Tuesday. So let's see, GFS total snowfall, if you take one after another and just kind of pile them all up, you're looking at anywhere from 6 to 16 inches of snow for parts of eastern Kansas into Missouri. I mean, that's, again, this is quite a ways out. It's Tuesday, so you're looking at Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday into Sunday. That's 5 days that things can change. Warm air, dry air, things that can just kind of thwart this. I mean, rain is going to try to mix into some of this. So we'll see if this holds true. But let's see, the snow starts up in that area Sunday morning and continues through the day on Sunday. So just keep that in mind. So both models are showing us good swath of snow generally in this area, right? So that's Sunday night, Sunday morning, late Saturday night, Sunday morning into Sunday afternoon. So if you live in this area, keep an eye on that time frame in this area because there's still several days to fine tune this. We'll see. All right, next model. This is the Ensemble. So this takes more models, kind of crams them together, and then evens them out. So it still has that swath right there. So I think that Thursday night, is that right? Thursday night? Let me look at my forecast. Thursday morning. Late Wednesday into Thursday morning. That's what it is. Late Wednesday into Thursday morning. That swath of snow continues to be a possibility. It doesn't look like much. You're looking at, maybe tenth of an inch to maybe an inch or two. That's about it in northeast Nebraska, and then through parts of Iowa. Then moving forward, here comes that next band of snow. It doesn't like it as much. I mean, look at that. You're looking at more to the north from Lincoln to Des Moines, but well, let's keep going. Yeah, that didn't. The ensembles, when you put all the models together, like hundreds of them, it doesn't like the models as much. So let's see. It doesn't like the snow potential as much. So let's see. All said and done, that moves that track way north, and only has anywhere from 3 to 6 inches of snow right through here. Dodge City, nothing. Salina, Kansas, nothing. Springfield, barely anything. St. Louis still gets hit. Kansas City, somewhat. Lincoln, somewhat. Des Moines, somewhat. But this one makes a little more sense. So you've got the European and the GFS both saying big swath of snow in this area. But then when you take the GFS ensemble, so like the average of all of the GFSs, and it doesn't have that. That's fascinating. Okay, this is the NAM. This one isn't going to go into the weekend. This one's just going to show that, yes, there is also the NAM saying, yeah, this is probably going to happen here. And then that's it. Moves that away. But again, this one stops Friday afternoon, doesn't go into the weekend. It's that kind of model that doesn't go that far out. This is a mid-range model, so total is going to be the same as what we just saw, anywhere from 1/4 of an inch to an inch from about eastern Nebraska into Iowa, northern Missouri, and then towards Chicago, Illinois, and Indiana. So back to what we were talking about, that chance for snowfall, I kind of want to look at that ensemble again. Right there. Let's look at this one. So this one has that snow, the second wave right there, kind of kicking in Sunday. Yeah, interesting. There's so you've got 3 different things happening, and that's why we hate to let you know exactly how much snow and when it's going to fall and how long it's going to take, because there's so many things that can change. There's 3 models right there, 2 of them very similar to each other, but one of them is very different. So not everybody on the same page, and we're still a ways out. Once we get about 3 to 5 days, about 3 days out, that 3 to 5 day range is still in the gray zone, but once you get to about 3 days out and sooner, we're able to fine tune the timing, fine tune the snow amounts potential, and fine tune everything like that. So yeah, that's going to keep an eye on that one as we head through the next several days. So thank you, everybody who watches this. Like, subscribe. I'll be doing some more updates as we get closer to the weekend, because obviously a lot of people talking about this weekend and the potential for snow. And right now models are kind of all over the place. So we'll keep an eye on it. See you next time.